Hey guys, I just wanted to make a follow-up video. I haven't activated this or anything like that. I haven't hooked it to the internet, but every time I boot it up, man, it's like about 15 seconds this thing is up and running instead of a minute and a half. So this is a drive I bought on Amazon, Patriot P210, and it's working. So we're going to put it in there. Let's see. There we go. And this thing is perfectly fine. These drives here, I guess they're just not doing something right. I benchmarked these in Linux. I saw like 540. So what the hell is this thing reading then? I don't know. It just seems strange. Maybe this computer just doesn't like these. Anyway, these are terrible in this computer. Maybe they'll work better in something else. But, yeah, watch. After struggling with this computer for a couple of days, I'm telling you, man, this is pretty fun. Okay. I don't even know when to time it, actually. Probably from right about there. Okay. So it went from 33 seconds to 44. So that's like 11 or 12 seconds. And it's up and running. It's just crazy what a new hard drive will do. And this doesn't even have the cache in it. The Patriot drive doesn't even have that extra cache. So, wow, pretty good.